And Sergio, I got a question for you. Are
Yes,
you
sir.
becoming an ant?
Yeah, I ant when I need to. I anted last week. Well, not really.
Yes.
But look
Well,
at this, Jeff. Top this, Jeff.
This shows that.
Top that, Jeff. Right here. I'm so proud of
Wow.
this. Mr. Risher, Mr. Risher, are you watching this? Look at me. Look at your boy, Mr. Risher, right here. Look at this. I mean, this is perfection. I think I'll quit Lyft now. That's it. I'm done. I'm just going to go on the top of my game until the next moron walks in.
Here's the thing. If they're showing you the money, then I'll be an ant all day long.
They showed me the money, buddy. I'm telling you. I'm betting that they lost probably $250 on me last week. But we'll show the
what did
numbers
they
next
show
week.
you? What did they show you? Let everybody know what your bonus was there.
My bonus was 12 chips for Monday to Thursday. It was 12 chips for $185. So that comes to like $16 a chip. And for the weekend, I had a guarantee 23 trips for $350. That's another 16 a trip. So I did 35, $3.5 to $4, $3.5 to $4 trips. And I did actually all 23 in one day on Friday while I was also doing Uber Eats. So it was like a $500 day on Friday, Chris, while I was doing Lyft trips. I did what David Risher doesn't want me to do. I never had food and passenger in the car at the same time, Mr. Risher, so you know. And my car always smelled good. I did the delivery, then I picked up the Lyft passenger, so you know. But here I am, Jeff. Can you meet this, Jeff? Beat this, Jeff. Hey, Donnie, AppRide, can you beat this, bro? Right here. Look at this. Huh?
Hey.
Beat that.
Well, either way, good job. Congratulations, Lyft Ant. You're the honorary Lyft Ant of the week this week.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.